Hello and welcome to this installation guide and review of the case compatible glass screen protector from Olixar. I'll be applying the S9 version of the protector today. However, if you have got the S9 Plus version, then fear not, as the protectors and their installation method are exactly the same, so the steps within this video will work for both. As with all screen protector installations, you'll need to start off by providing your phone's display with a thorough clean. You can do so by taking the provided wet wipe and giving your screen an initial once over before giving it another wipe with the microfiber cloth. Now you'll need to take the dust removal sticker and begin dabbing your phone screen. This will lift away any remaining pieces of dirt or lint without you having to touch your screen directly. With your screen fully cleaned, you will then be ready to apply the protector itself. Simply remove the protective backing like so and then begin lowering the protector into place. Once applied and you're happy with the alignment, then provide a firm press around the top, bottom and edges of the screen protector so as to fully adhere the protector to the phone. At this stage we also recommend turning on Samsung's latest feature designed specifically for screen protectors. Simply go to your settings, then advanced features, before scrolling to the bottom where you'll find the touch sensitive setting which you'll want to turn on. This will make using screen protectors even easier by making your phone more sensitive to light touches without taking away from the overall experience. With the case compatible protector from Olixar applied to your Samsung Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus, you'll then be guarded well against scratches and scrapes, while the protector's touch perfect responsiveness allows you to use your phone just as you did before, meaning that you can surf the net and play games without any limitations. Compatible with virtually every case on the market thanks to its unique case-friendly design, you can purchase this protector safe in the knowledge that it will work with your existing or desired case. In summary, the Olixar case compatible protector represents a perfect way of protecting your precious S9 or S9 Plus without having to worry about complex installation processes and then whether it will work or not with your desired case, making it a top choice for me.